Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and I am looking paler than ever. You know when you're like, I can see myself in the screen and I'm pale. Anyway, I am back again because today I am unboxing my brand new latest in beauty box. This is the November edit, I think. I was quite late ordering it this month because there was a couple of bits I was waiting for. Anyway, this box is $14.95 and if you're a Latest in Beauty Pro member, you get free shipping, but if you're not and you're just buying a one-off box, you do have to pay for shipping. Anyway, it's incredible. Latest in Beauty, you know me, they're my favourite beauty box. I think they are so good. You get so much bang for your buck. They're such incredible value, great gifts inside, and you pick everything yourself, so it's like no waste. Anyway, I thought I'd show you what I got this month. So I'm going to start with this. This is Dr. Organic and this is the Ageless Overnight Recovery Oil. I just really like this. You know when you're like, it's a full-size product. I like an overnight product. I like an oil. And I just found that like it really works for me. So I thought I'd get another bottle before it goes from the selection. So that is my first item. And then I got another Dr. Organic product, which is the Coconut Oil Day Cream. I really like this. I got it in another Latest in Beauty box and I just was like, it's really good. It doesn't smell coconutty, which I really liked. It was really hydrating. It lasted all day. My makeup sat nicely on it. Yeah, my skin looked good. You know when you're like, no complaints. It felt good. It looked good. Happy. And you know when you're like, it's part of this box, which makes it a really, really, really cheap way of getting your day cream. So that is my next item. Then I've got another product, which is my second time round. No, not that one. This one. So this is the Sukin Brightening Radiance Gel Cleanser. I have had this maybe like 2 times now. I really like it. It's a really good morning shower cleanser. I literally just have it in my shower. I give a pump, boom, boom, boom. I'm done, you know? No messing around. It's just a really nice, good shower cleanser. Sukin, of course, are very natural. They are very like a wholesome brand. They're Australian. I really like them. I just think they're a really good brand. I think they're quite high streety. You buy them in Boots, but they're good high street and they're very natural. They're very nice. I just really like them. I just feel like it works and it works really well as like a shower cleanser or as a second cleanse of my double cleanse. Yeah. There we go. I really like it. It's full size, 125 ml, and this lasted me like 3 months. I thought it was great. So that is my next item. I'm telling you, you get a lot of bang for your buck with Latest in Beauty. I'm all in. Anyway, let me show you my next item. This is again by Sukin. Can you see a theme? I have a lot of like my favorite brands. So this is the Facial Recovery Serum. I don't think I've tried this before. This is Super Greens. Wait, let me just move things around. I feel like everything's falling off my knee. So let's have a look. Oh, it's not green. I thought it might be, and it doesn't smell of anything. I don't know why, but I thought it might be green coloured because do you know the Tropic Super Greens serum? That is green. This is not. And it doesn't smell green either. It just smells good. I'm going to put a bit on my skin. Yeah, it feels light, feels serumy. Yeah, I thought I'd give it a go. Like I said, I like Sukin, so I thought, why not? Do you use this in the day? Do you use it at night? I don't really know. I don't know. I'll give it a go. I'll see what happens. So yeah, 30 ml, full size. Cannot complain. It's a good thing to have. Anyway, what next? Oh yes, this is Bareminerals, and this is a mascara. Huh, isn't that amazing? It is a travel size mascara. But I love a travel size. I don't know if I've told you this before. It's like the hill I will die on. I don't love wearing mascara. I really don't. I just feel like I find it so annoying. But also I find a full size tube of mascara annoying because I never ever ever get to the end of it before you're meant to renew it. And yesterday I did actually wear mascara and it made my eye sore because I had used it for like longer than 3 months. So I really do believe that mascara is the one item that you do have to change every 3 months. So I'm like, why? Why are we doing full size tubes? Why are we not doing half price, half size tubes? Like it just makes more sense. You know, when you're like, give them to me less, give me less product, make it cheaper. Does that make sense? Am I just screwing up all my words? Anyway, I love a travel size mascara. I wish all mascaras were travel size because I just don't get to the end of a tube before I have to replace it. So yeah, Bareminerals, incredible. Love it. How good is that? So that's my next item. I'm gonna just have a sip of coffee. You know when you're like, if you have not bought yourself an espresso coffee maker, please do it. It will change your life, it will save you a fortune, and it will just bring so much joy into your life every single day. Anyway, let's go for the last item. Here it is. It's by Bareminerals, and I was like excited when I saw this. This is the reason I waited so long to make my order. It's Bareminerals lipstick, and it is in shade Courage, and I saw in the preview it looked like it was a really good shade of red. I like a Bareminerals lipstick, and I was like, I'm just gonna wait for that. So here is the lipstick. Ooh, it's got more coverage than I thought. I thought it was gonna be more like a tinted sheer kind of lipstick, but it's not. It's lovely. That's a nice colour. It's a really good red. You know, you're like, that is a blue based red. I'm excited. I would put it on now, but I'm already wearing lipstick and I don't know how well it will go on over the top. I might try. Ooh. I'm wearing a lip balm today and I really don't like the smell of it, and I swear it's like lingered on my skin. Even after I took it off, I can still smell it. It's really weird. Anyway, that's another story. There we go. It's kind of the red over pink, so I hope it works okay. But it's a really good shade of red. It's a nice size lipstick. It is a travel size, but that is going to last me like a year, if not more. And I just love, I love the colour. I love the colour. And this is like the item I was waiting for. I was of course excited about the mascara, but the lipstick is the one. I was like, no, I'm waiting until the Bareminerals is in. If you don't know Latest in Beauty and you're like, what are you even talking about? Basically every Friday they drop different products into the selection that you choose from. So you can go to the Latest in Beauty selection at the beginning of the month and they'll have one bunch of stuff, but by the end they'll have all different stuff, because as items sell out, they replace them with the new items, and it's just fun because it means that you can kind of get the items that you want. You just might have to wait a little bit longer. But I really wanted the Bareminerals and I knew it came in at the end of the month, so I waited until they're in stock and then I placed my order, which is why I didn't get it till the very, very, very end of November. Anyway, that is my box. I'm so happy with it. Bareminerals lipstick, Bareminerals mascara, 2 products of Dr. Organic, 2 products of Sukin. Amazing. Amazing. I'm so thrilled. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.